In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the history in Smartsheet. Knowing how to access the history of changes on your Smartsheet can be incredibly useful for tracking edits, understanding shifts in your data over time, and both managing and auditing collaborative workspaces. So let's dive right in and explore how you can view the revision history of a specific cell in your Smartsheet with ease. First things first, you need to identify the specific cell whose history you want to explore. This could be a crucial point of data, a cell that's been frequently updated, or simply a location where you're curious about its changes over time. Once you have located the cell in question, you're going to want to right-click on it. If you're using a different device, such as a laptop without a dedicated right-click button, don't worry. You can usually right-click by tapping with 2 fingers on the trackpad. Alternatively, some devices allow you to hold down the Control or Ctrl key while clicking. When you right-click the cell, a context menu will pop up, providing several options. From this menu, you need to select the option titled View Cell History. Among all the options, View Cell History is specifically designed for accessing the full record of changes that have occurred in that cell. This step may seem straightforward, but it's an important one to remember if you're in the midst of a collaborative project and multiple users are accessing and editing your Smartsheet. Once you click View Cell History, a panel will appear. This panel is like a window into the past life of your cell. It contains a comprehensive log of changes made over time, displaying each previous value the cell held. Additionally, it reveals valuable information about these edits, such as who made each change and precisely when those changes were made. This can be incredibly beneficial for teamwork, especially when multiple people contribute to the same sheet, allowing you to maintain accountability and clarity among your collaborators. Furthermore, maintaining awareness of this history allows for better project management and can aid in resolving any discrepancies that may arise. If you notice unexpected data, you can simply refer back to this history to investigate and resolve any issues quickly. And that's it. Viewing the cell history in Smartsheet is a straightforward process, yet invaluable in managing your collaborative projects efficiently and effectively. So next time you're curious about a particular cell, just right-click, select View Cell History, and gain insight into the evolution of your data at the touch of a button. Thank you for watching, and happy managing in Smartsheet.